Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, we've got something special for you with the all-new Reggie. It's been creating quite a buzz lately, and we're here to give you a deep dive into what makes this car stand out in a crowded market. From its futuristic design to the cutting-edge tech under the hood, there's a lot to unpack. Let's kick things off with the exterior design. The first thing you'll notice is how bold and dynamic the lines are. The Reggie doesn't just blend into the background, it commands attention. The aggressive front grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted bodywork all give it an athletic stance. The sleek curves and rear spoiler aren't just for looks, they help improve aerodynamics, making this car not only beautiful but efficient. Moving inside, the Reggie doesn't disappoint. Step inside, and it feels like you're in the cockpit of a spaceship. The dashboard is minimalist, with a huge touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to entertainment. The quality of materials used is top-notch. Soft-touch surfaces, premium leather, and brushed aluminum trim make it feel like a luxury experience, no matter what trim you choose. But what really sets the Reggie apart is its tech. It's packed with features that you'd typically only find in high-end vehicles. The advanced driver assistance systems are second to none. Lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking are all standard. Plus, it has an intuitive infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so staying connected on the go is a breeze. Now, let's talk performance. The Reggie comes with a turbocharged engine that offers a perfect balance of power and fuel efficiency. Whether you're zipping through city streets or cruising down the highway, the handling is responsive, and the ride is smooth. If you're someone who likes to push the limits, the sport mode kicks things up a notch, giving you more power when you need it. Of course, we can't forget about safety. The Reggie comes equipped with a full suite of safety features designed to keep you and your passengers safe in almost any situation. With its sturdy build and advanced airbag system, you'll feel secure every time you get behind the wheel. When it comes to pricing, the Reggie is surprisingly affordable, considering everything it offers. It's positioned as a value-packed option for those looking for a high-tech, stylish ride without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the all-new Reggie delivers on all fronts. It's got the looks, the tech, the performance, and the safety features to make it a standout in its class. Whether you're a tech lover, a performance enthusiast, or someone looking for a reliable daily driver, the Reggie checks all the boxes. So, what do you think of the new Reggie? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more car reviews, news, and everything in between. Catch you next time.